Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at X3 Matrix and how you can register and what it is. Just a short overview about X3 Matrix, how it works and how you can register. So when you receive the link, you can either copy the link and go and paste it in SafePal wallet or your Web3 wallet that supports OPBNB network. But there's also a feature to make it easier for you to click on the link exactly. If you follow the instructions, you will see exactly how it works. So the links have been modified so that you can first get onto the landing page to read about X3 Matrix, and you will see that it is you earn BNB here with a low entry, making it accessible for almost everyone on planet Earth that has a smart device can enter on X3 Matrix. It's a fast flow designed for fast flow. It's a decentralized 14-slot matrix on the OPBNB network. Right, you're going to register once. Each position needs to refer at least 2 direct partners. Right, so because the entry is very low, and you can see here, the entry is in BNB 0.001 BNB. You will just need another 0.001001 for the transaction fees. That's very, very little. It's not even 1 cent extra for the transaction fees. Right, so you can see here in US dollars, it's roughly around 65 US dollar cents, depending on the BNB value of the day, or between 10 to 12 South African rand. Right, this is approximate. This will differ. I think today there's also a calculator built in here that I will show you how to do that. Right, so ready for X3 Matrix, you can either press on register there, or here at the bottom. But first, let's have a look. You can see that I already click. I'm going to register a new position on 6487. Right, so I already installed my wallet. If you don't know how to install SafePal wallet, you can watch on this YouTube channel. There is tutorials about installing SafePal wallet, downloading it, as well as how to add OPBNB to your SafePal wallet. That is the only coin that you will need. It's OPBNB or BNB on the OPBNB network. And then if you still struggle, you can reach out to me directly by pressing on this WhatsApp help icon. Then you will come directly to me if you do not come right. Right, so here is the smart contract address. It will take you straight to the smart contract. I'm not going to go there at the moment. Here is a short explanation, about a 7-minute explanation. You can tap on open on YouTube. It will show you what it is, but let's run through the numbers quickly. So currently there's 8,205 registrations, active registrations. Right, for the last 7 days, 217 increased, 2 positions recycled, there was 10 upgrades, and the royal pool was funded with 004 BNB. Right, this is the stats for the last 30 days. 1,000 came in here, 114 upgrades, 23 recycles. And yeah, there's a 12 levels in X3. Right, so currently there's on level 1 8,205, and then it increases up from level 7. There's the highest level reached is level 7, so it's still a fairly brand new matrix. Don't let the level 1 positions fool you in thinking that it's already too late to join. It's not, never too late to join. Remember, when you join, you start from that day, so then it is brand new for you as well. Right, you're going to choose if you want to just register and qualify yourself with 2 directs, or register and upgrade as high as you can to position yourself to receive more benefits. Let's run through the matrix. So as we said, it's a low entry. You're going to need 0.001 BNB on the OPBNB network. Everything is managed by the smart contract. There's no human intervention. You do not send crypto to another human being. You do not ask another human being to send you funds when you need to get paid, your first goal is to qualify yourself with 2Directs. Now, because the entry is so low, many members, they open 2 new wallets and they qualify themselves on their own link. Right, just take note that you need a new SafePal wallet or a new wallet that supports the OPBME network for every registration. So every position needs a wallet. So every slot in this matrix has a specific job, and we will run through that as well. So this is a totally dynamic and different and unique matrix. Every slot or position on your matrix will have a certain function. It's totally different from any other thing we are used to. And there is also a built-in auto upgrade mechanism. And that's normally slots 4 and 5 on your first cycle. There's 2 different cycles as well. So don't let that make you confused. You will learn this as you go. It will start to sink in, and you will start to understand it. And then also there's a recycling that will recycle you back into the same level for continuous movement. Remember, until the last day that the internet exists on planet Earth, this smart contract will be able to operate. Now, this is already version 2, and it opens up higher level strategy. So you can upgrade to higher levels at any time. In version 1, you couldn't do that, right? So, but you still need to have your 2Directs in order to qualify for benefits that must come to you. Right, so this is a automated smart contract, but income is not guaranteed. I must stress that as well. I'm also not a financial advisor, tax advisor, crypto advisor. This is only for informational and educational purposes. And the results depends on participation, because it's a community building platform. It's not an investment platform. It's not investment or group scheme or anything like that. It's not a stokvel. It's a smart contract managed community peer-to-peer platform, right? It will depend on participation, on timing, obviously, on your qualification if you are qualified with 2Directs, and obviously your team activity. And the network fees is definitely not an issue with OPBMB. That's why we chose the network of OPBMB, because it's extremely cheap and very, very fast. Right, and then obviously your normal crypto risks that we do not have control over. Right, we cannot control the market price or the value of BNB itself. That is out of our hands. Right, so how does it work? First of all, you connect your wallet. I'm going to show you that very shortly. Then you're going to register. Just take note that your funds must be in your wallet already before you register, and then after you registered, you will get access to your link, and you will be able to send it or register to other accounts on that link as well. And then you start earning BNB once your matrix grows. Right, so how does it work and your action plan? So before registering, please read this carefully. X3 uses a smart contract on the OPBMB network. So placements, payouts, upgrades, and recycles follows the contract rules automatically. No one can make changes to this, no one can stop this, no one can pause this. Smart contract rules are there to assist us and to protect us. Right. Results are not guaranteed, and it depends on activity, timing, team support, and normal crypto risk, obviously, as I said. Right, what is your action plan? You join after you've registered, you share with either 2 people, or you qualify yourself. There is no KYC needed in X3 Matrix, so you can qualify yourself by adding 2 more positions on your first link, and then you can start to refer other people with the link of the other 2. Right, but your first position will receive BNB, and then you just help and support those 2 to get them qualified as well. And once you are qualified, routed spillover opportunities can land correctly according to the contract in your matrix, and goes directly to your wallet. So it's very, very simple. help your two directs get their own two directs, and the speed depends on yourself. There's total freedom in X3 Matrix, and this is how your team builds depth and momentum. So you decide how fast you want to benefit from X3 Matrix. The first rule is to qualify yourself first, because you can miss payments that must go to you, but it's a 0.001 BNB. That's the only thing that you will miss. Right, so it's not huge funds, but you will not, if you upgrade to high levels, you will also need to qualify yourself first before you can receive the benefits there. So very important, there is spillover in this matrix, but do not wait for it, do not depend on it, rather qualify yourself first, and then build your first two directs. That's the very first target that you have to put for yourself, right? And then qualified teams create stronger upgrade flow, recycling activity, and the royal pool competition points. So there's also a weekly royal pool that is funded by the activity of the contract. It's not something separately, and that gets distributed every Friday midnight South African time. Right, so here's a breakdown of the matrix. There is 14 positions. Position 1 and 2 spills up, so that does not go to you, it goes to your upline. Position 1 goes up 1 level. Position 2 on your right goes up 2 levels to your upline's upline. And then position 3 is your first direct payment. So many members, they come in with 3, or there's your first payment already. And then position 4 and 5 is your upgrade combined to the next level, so you don't have to pay anything extra. As soon as those positions are populated, you're getting upgraded automatically on your first cycle. You can, however, decide to activate higher levels on your own if you want to do that. Then position 6, 8, 11 and 12 is other payments directly to your wallet. So on cycle 1, you're getting paid 6 times. Right, position 7 spills down 1 to your left, and I will explain that also very shortly. Position 10 and 13 is also supporting your downline. Position 10 goes 1 level to your right. Position 13 goes 2 levels down to your left. Right, and then the recycled position is position 14. That will recycle you back into the same level. Do not get confused between the levels and the cycles. There's 12 levels from level 1 to 12. Everything doubles as you upgrade to the next level, and then there is 2 cycles, 2 different cycles. So the first cycle is if you have not upgraded yet. It's the first time you get to a level. That will be your first cycle, and once you reach position 4 and 5, it will upgrade you automatically, or you can upgrade yourself. Right, now you will be in cycle 2, and then position 14 will always recycle you back into the same level. Right, there's also a calculator built in here that you can calculate how much it will cost you to upgrade. Let's say you come in now, you first come here and you want to calculate in, it gives you the approximate rand value as well as the approximate dollar value. As you can see here, for registration at this moment, it's about 60 US dollar cents, because BNB is a little bit up today. I think it's around 600 US dollars for 1 BNB. But you can also come here, you can see, okay, I'm new, I do not have any level here. I want to upgrade to level, let's say level 4. Level 4 or 5 is a good level to start with. And you're going to press the yellow icon here, use upgrade. It's going to cost you 147 Rand, or $9 almost. Right, so that is going to cost you from a new position to level 4. That's what it's going to cost you there. If you want to go from level 1 to 5, you press 1 to 5 and then upgrade. Okay, level 1 to 5. You can see it changed a bit. It's 300 or $18.60. Right, and then from level 1 to 12, let's just change it here. It's going to cost you 4 BNB, 40,000 Rand, or let's say $2,500. Then you will be on all the levels, and take note that there is no one on level 8 yet. So the highest level reached is level 7. Then there's also a calculator that you can estimate your potential income on the different levels. So level 1, it gives you the cycle, how many cycles, meaning how many, how many times have you cycled on that same level. So keep that on one cycle. From level 1, this is what you will earn. Level 2, level 3, remember you will earn independently, you will benefit from all of these levels at the same time, not just your highest level, not just one level, from all of them. Let's say you are on level 5, right, first cycle and recurring cycle. So there's your first cycle, the potential direct payments is $57 or 943 Rand. Right, now your auto upgrade, it's calculated in here already. That is to go to your next level, so you can work it out here. You can see exactly how much. You can also change it, cycle 2 and recurring levels. Right, this is what you will earn. On cycle 2 there's 7 payments. Now position number 4 goes to the royal pool, and 5 is another direct payment to you. So you can see on your first cycle it's an auto upgrade trigger, position 5, but on later cycles it's another paid position like the green ones. Now how do we register here? So here you can do that, you can estimate. It will show you here exactly how much you can earn. And now the level costs, you can see here everything doubles in levels. So level 1, where everyone has to start, is 0.001. You can't just, if you want to start on level 5, you must purchase level 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You cannot just come straight to level 5. Right, so everything doubles. It's 001, 002, 004, then 8, then 0016. And that's if you want to go to level 5 directly. You will have to pay all of it from a new position to level 5, and that will give you altogether 0.031 BNB. That includes level 1 to 5, right, which is approximately $18.60 or 305 Rand. And then you are positioned to receive from level 1 to 5. Alright, as I said, there is no members on level 8 yet. The highest achieved level is level 7. But let's go and have a look at how to register. So I already funded my wallet that I'm going to register. Here's a video that you can have a look at, the explainer video as well. Right, the smart contract, let's go there quickly. Takes a little bit of time. Okay, here we go. Right, so the contract ends with DE37. Right, so this is the current value on the smart contract. No one has got access to these funds. These are kept for upgrades. So once the contract codes are met, this money will be paid out to the qualified members. Right, we can see all the transactions here. Let me just refresh it. Okay, let's go to the contract itself. You can see that it is verified. It's an exact match. Right, and here is all the codes and everything, and we can read everything here, all the details, all the information that you want about this smart contract is on the code, on the read section. So you can also correspond. You can get your user details, you can get ID, you can get the address for the IDs. Let's see how many people. Last user ID is 8205. So there's only, you subtract 1 because it's 8206 there, and that corresponds with what we see on the home page as well. Right, let's just go back there. And you can see that it's 8205, yeah, so it corresponds. Let us do the registration. So you clicked on the link, you came to the home page, you've read all the information here, and you're going to press on register. Either that register or this register. Why doesn't it want to go now? Okay, let it just, okay, there it switches over now. Right, you're gonna select level 1. You can choose right from the beginning level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will, you see the value, it will change there. You just need to have that in your wallet, and you can upgrade right from the start. But we're just going to do a standard registration here, level 1. Confirm the user ID 6487. Remember, this is just for demonstration purposes, right? And it is a wallet that we need to register in our group where we are assisting each other. Also consider that joining our group or asking about it, how you can join that group, where we assist each other with weekly registrations, because it is such a low entry platform. Right, so we're going to press on connect wallet. If you just pressed on the link, you're not going through SafePal wallet. You're going to choose wallet connect, and it's going to give you options of your wallet. You're going to choose SafePal in my case, and just take note that your wallet has to be funded with the correct amount of BNB, at least 0.001. So this is the wallet. You can change the wallet there. Okay, but I know I've got the correct wallet. This is the new one. I'm going to change the name after the registration, and then I'm going to back it up as well. Right, and you're going to press agree. It takes you to the wallet, and you're going to press register, and you're going to confirm it in your SafePal wallet. Just give it some time, it will come up, and then you press agree. That is if you do not copy the link and go into SafePal wallet directly into your DApp browser. Right, so now there it is, 8206 is the next number. As you saw, it corresponds with the smart contract, it corresponds with the numbers on the home page, and that is the referrer 6487. I do not have any partners yet. Right, you will see the exact same picture here, your smart contract address. You can go directly from there. Right, and then here is your referral link. You can copy it here, and until it says copied, you just press on the yellow, and then you can forward it. Right, here as well, you can choose to upgrade. You just come to select here which level you want to go to. Go all the way up as far as you want to, as far as you can afford to. Right, and then you just need to have the funds in your wallet, and you will press upgrade now, and it will upgrade you, and you will just refresh and you will be upgraded. Now you will see the same calculator here, that you can estimate what it's going to cost you. You can estimate what you will receive from each and every level, and then your matrix. Now there's two different matrices here. This is your level 3 or your referral tree. This shows your two directs and their two directs. Do not get confused. This just shows who registered who, and then the payout matrix. Now this is slot number 1, slot number 2. You can see the green ones is the direct payment to you. So it's 3, 6, 8, 9, 11 and 12. is direct payments to you on the first cycle. On the second cycle, slot number 5 is another direct payment to you. So on the first cycle you're getting 6 payments, on the second cycle you're getting 7 payments. Right, and the red ones, they are spilling down to support your downline, and in certain instances it can come back and pay you as well again. It depends on where it lands in the matrix. Right, but this is the one to understand, the payout matrix. They both have 14 slots. As you can see, 14 slots. Obviously this is a new registered wallet. Still need to get, these ones will all be green, but they do not show you where the payments come or who pays you. Now when your first direct comes in, it will land onto your left on your first level. This is your first level, your second level, and your third level of the payout matrix. Right, so when position 1 comes in, it goes up to 1 to your upline. With slot number 2, when that slot is filled, it goes up 2 levels to his upline. Right, and then slot 3 pays you, slot 4 is kept by the smart contract for upgrades, and as soon as slot 5 comes in, the smart contract automatically upgrades you to level 2. Then it will show you, it will open up level 2 here, and you will see a new matrix like this. Slot number 6 pays you again, slot 7 spills down 1 to your left. Now this is where the referral matrix comes in. So this is also your level 1, your level 2, and your level 3. So when I say that it's going to spill down 1 level to your left, it's meaning it's going to land in this person's or position's matrix that's on your first level to your left. So let's say that is number 2, then it will fall in number 2's matrix, and that's how you can determine. So when slot number 10 falls or lands here, it spills down 1 level to your right. That means to your right, it's this side on your first level, it will fall in this one's matrix, payout matrix. So that means it can fall in a slot 1 or slot 2 or any of these 14 slots on that matrix, and then it will be routed again according to those where it landed there, and that's when many instances it will come back to you. It might come back to you. Alright, so that's the only way we can predict it. Alright, and then slot 13 is spilling down 2 levels to your left. That means this is your first level, your second level, so it will fall under this positions matrix, payout matrix. Alright, and then position or slot 14, the last one, will recycle you back into the same level again. You will just see a blank matrix like this. That means that you have recycled, but now you're on cycle 2. Now cycle 2, slot 4 goes to the royal pool, the weekly royal pool. You'll see it's also blue, and then slot 5 becomes another direct payment. It will also be green then. Right, so on cycle 1 you're getting paid 6 times, on cycle 2 you're getting paid 7 times. That's the difference, and that works exactly the same on all the levels, from level 1 to level 12. Right, and that's just more explanation of what your you can see here, there's explained everything here in detail. Right, then there's a payment tracker, and then there's the last royal pool. Take note, this for 2 weeks the royal pool was too low, we didn't upgrade or we didn't distribute this. How the royal pool works, there's 4 categories, excuse me. The winner gets 40% of the royal pool. This is just to distribute it, to give as many people as possible a chance to take part in this and to benefit from this. Number 2, number 3 and number 4 will get 20% of that royal pool. Right. This is the results of the last royal pool that was drawn. The biggest payout was, I think, $62. was the biggest payout for the winner was $62, and then the other three received $26 around there. Right, so it was over $100 the whole Royal Pool for that week. Right, and then the Royal Pool, you can view the countdown here. It's 2 days left, so today's Wednesday, then Thursday and Friday evening, midnight, 12 o'clock South African time. You can see it's counting down. It will come to a 0, and then this smart contract will show the winners automatically, right, and the payouts will be done. This is the only thing that is paid out manually, right, because of the activity differs each and every week, each and every day. Right, so this is what you will get in X3 Matrix, and there is no limit to the number of positions you can purchase or activate, and there's also no limit to the number of BNB that every position can benefit or earn from. So yeah, everything is here. If you have any questions, any concerns, any uncertainties, please reach out to me, and we will explain as best as possible. Also at the top you can see that there's tabs are added there. There's the account, it will take you to that section. The link, there's your referral link, it's just to make it easier for you. Then on upgrade, it will take you to the upgrade section. On the then you will go to the calculator if you want to go to the calculator to calculate the potential earnings that you can receive, and also alerts is this. Where did I press? The matrix. Alright, but the main thing is that you need to learn and understand this matrix. There is another video where it also explains how the difference between the referral tree and the payout matrix. Please watch that on this channel as well. It's just search for it. It is there. Alright, I think that's another 7-minute video, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is X3 in short overview, how to register and how to understand how it works. As I said, there's total freedom in here. You decide how fast you want to benefit from X3 Matrix. The main thing is that the smart contract code cannot be changed. It will operate until the last day that the internet exists on planet Earth. It will operate this way. No one can stop it. It does depend on participation. It does depend on market conditions, which is out of our hands. But the biggest thing is that the trust issue is taken care of here. You do not have to trust any person with your funds, because there is no human being handling your funds. The smart contract manages and distributes everything according to the rules. Right, thank you. Please reach out to the person that sent you this video, and also if you're watching this on YouTube, consider to like and subscribe. It's totally free to subscribe. You don't have to pay anything, and you will keep updated with other platforms and news and how-to videos about crypto that we are sharing here. So yeah, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.